Hi, I'm Lauren.
And I'm Sam, and we're the co-founders of SNL Trends, and this is our model, Portia.
And we currently have the sleek and glossy waves on her, which you can see in our previous video. And today, what are we doing, Sam?
So now we're gonna take her into a fun, textured, messy bun, and we're gonna spice it up by using some stuff we found in the craft store to give her some extra spice. So first we're gonna start off by just taking her into a low ponytail, and then Lauren's gonna use the styling paste to put her into a braid and spin that into a bun.
So we wanna use a nice smoothing brush and brush everything back and all get it the direction that we're wanting it to go.
So one of our favorite tips whenever we have someone like Portia who has a lot of thick hair is using a bungee. This is gonna give you a lot more of security with your ponytail.
Now that that is in, we're gonna just pull a little bit so we get some movement up at the base.
And to help with this process, we're gonna use some of the Texture AIIR spray to give her some good grip on that.
So now that we have the pony in place, we're going to braid her pony using some styling paste to tame down any flyaways that we have. So once the styling paste is in, we're going to section her out into 3 sections and do a 3-strand braid. So now that we used an elastic to tie it off, we're just going to kind of pancake it out a little bit, but still keeping it nice and smooth.
And now that Lauren has a nice fluffy braid, we're going to go ahead and spin it around the base of the ponytail and pin it with a few bobby pins.
And we're using the jumbo bobby pins because she has a lot of thick hair. We're going in at 90 degrees and then turning it to secure it.
And you can see here how that styling paste allowed us to have minimal flyaways with the braid.
So we're just gonna fluff it out a little bit more, and then Sam's gonna come in with shine spray to really define all of the shape.
And now that she's all shined up with the shine spray, you could definitely go ahead and leave the look just this way and rock it. It's super pretty, simple, but catches the eye. Or you could spice it up, and we are going to do that today by using some local craft store goodies and show you guys how you can incorporate that into your hairstyle.
All right, so there you have it. We have a nice braided bun with a little fun craft store haul, and we used styling paste to get the bun and sleek it all back, and then finished off with some shine spray.
Yeah, this is the perfect bun to rock to any type of party or holiday event. And we had so much fun creating this, and I hope you guys enjoyed our version of an SNL Trends messy bun using AIIR Professional.